Today I'm going to be installing this sink faucet for our new bathroom sink. This is a 3-hole sink, but this is for a 1-hole setup. Thankfully, they include this cute little plate that covers the other 2 holes and makes this a 1-hole faucet. On the faucet, you're going to have a gasket and a metal piece. These go underneath the sink. The gasket goes against the porcelain to protect it. And then you put this back onto this screw to tighten it down. We have to put our water lines through the hole. There's also this wonderful key that helps you to tighten that nut down so that this doesn't move around. You can see that I hand tightened it, but it's not quite snug enough. So we're gonna use this to tighten it down. It comes with a matching pop-up drain, which is fantastic. First things first, we have to remove this piece and this rubber gasket because they go under the sink. The thin rubber gasket stays on and goes into the sink area. Then you're going to put this big rubber gasket underneath and tighten it down with this piece. Not only is this a pop-up design, push and pop, but you just pull this up and it has a hair catcher built in. So you just pull it out and clean it off, and then you can put it right back in.